Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to start a fresh chapter, that is plant kingdom. Okay, so let's begin with this new chapter. So starting with plant kingdom, we know that about plant kingdom by name, that this kingdom consists of plants. Okay, so it is also known as plantae. Okay, also known as plantae. Okay, kingdom plantae. Now about the common features of plant kingdom. Sorry, yeah, common features of plant kingdom. So जब भी हम किसी प्लांट को देखते हैं, मतलब प्लांट नाम ही सुनते हैं, तो हमें हमारे माइंड में क्या रिकॉल होता है कि एक ग्रीन सा लीफी स्ट्रक्चर्स. ओके, सो that what we imagine when we hear the word plant. Okay, so on that basis, from the lower classes, we are actually reading about plants. So what are the common features we can write here? That about their food. So they do photosynthesis for the production of their food. Okay, photosynthesis. Now to do photosynthesis, they should have photosynthetic material, photosynthetic pigment. Let me erase this. Okay, photosynthetic pigment, and mostly it is chlorophyll. Okay, it may be A, B and C, and apart from chlorophyll there must be another pigments as well. Okay, so about both photosynthesis and photosynthetic pigments. Okay, now comes the third point, that they have cell wall. Okay, which is mostly made up of cellulose. Okay, another is sex organs. They are multicellular. Okay, and also jacketed. They are covered, so that's why they are called jacketed. Okay, these are some common features of kingdom plantae. Okay, now starting with its general classification, we are going to take two type of classification on the basis of habitat and on the basis of plant body. Okay, what are the two type of classification we are going to discuss? Two type of classification on the basis of their habitat, where they live. Okay, जहाँ पे ये रहते हैं वहाँ के बेसिस पे, और दूसरा on their body structure. Okay, what type of body they do have. Okay, body shape. Clear? So this is we are going to discuss now on the basis of habitat, their general classification. Okay, so it can be found in two type of habitat, that is aquatic and land. Okay, aquatic and land. Now aquatic में हमें कौन से मिलेंगे? Algae. Okay, they can be green algae, red algae, brown algae, okay, etc. Now in land, they are further divided into two on the basis of their vascular tissues. Okay, on the basis of their vascular tissues, they are divided into two, like xylem, phloem. Okay, which are the vascular tissues. Okay, absent here they are present. Okay. Plants which have xylem and phloem and which do not. So this division do not have xylem and phloem. Okay. So on the basis of that, this division is means the plants which do not have xylem phloem are bryophytas. Okay, bryophyta. Okay, and bryophyta includes mosses, liverworts. Okay, clear? Now, in which this is present, what xylem and phloem are present. So let's another take one more characteristic about reproduction. Okay, reproduction. On the basis of reproduction, they are further divided. So reproduction, which reproduce through spore formation. Spore formation. Another with seed formation. Spore formation. It can be seen in Pteridophyta. Pteridophyta. Okay. Pteridophyta includes ferns. Sorry. Let me take another pen. Okay. Pteridophyta includes ferns. Okay. Now, seed formation. On the basis of seed formation, spermatophyta, okay, let me take this below, okay, in the next sheet. Till now I guess everything is clear. On the basis of habitat, first habitat according to habitat दो टाइप के हो सकते हैं habitat, that is aquatic and land. Clear? Aquatic contains algae which can be green, red, brown, any type of algae. Okay. Another one is land. Land के divisions पे another जो characteristic लिया that is vascular tissues, that is xylem phloem. ये किस में present है किस में नहीं. तो जिसमें absent है that is bryophyta. Bryophyta contains mosses, liverworts. Okay, for examples, which have vascular tissues, then they are further divided on the basis of reproduction through which they reproduce. So here there is spore formation and seed formation. Clear? Spore formation contains spore formation takes place in Pteridophyta, that is in ferns. Okay. Next comes the seed formation. Seed formation is seen in spermatophytas. Okay. So spermatophyta is further divided into two, which we are going to see. Okay. So in the next sheet, let me rub this. Okay. So yeah, spermatophyta. And after we are going to take one more here, that is where the seeds are. Where the seeds are means they are naked or covered. Okay, so that can be naked seeds, covered under fruits. Okay, so naked seeds are present in gymnospores. Okay, and covered seeds are further divided into. Covered seeds can be first seen in angiosperm. Okay, and this angiosperm is further divided into two depending upon the cotyledons. Okay, cotyledons. That is monocotyledon, dicotyledon. Okay, so this is somewhat a general classification on the basis of characters, that is habitat. Okay, clear? I hope everything is clear till now. It's a kind of boring thing, but we can make it interesting, okay, by getting interested in this particular topic. So now another second classification that we are going to take on the basis of it's a very, let me lighten this. Yeah, let me take another pen as well, right, to make a little bit interesting. On the basis of plant body. Okay, on the basis of plant body. Clear? So their first, very bad. Yeah, it is actually far more difficult in writing this screen. Yeah, on the basis of plant body. Number one is, let me take another pen to make it a little interesting. Yeah, so it is cryptogam. Cryptogams. Another one is phanerogams. Okay, cryptogams are what? If I say cryptogams are non-seed producing plants, okay, which do not produce seeds, and these are, we can call it as spermatophyta, or these are the seeds producing. Okay, clear? Up to here is clear? Yeah. Another, cryptogams, they are non-seed producing, and thus they have Thallophyta. Okay, Thallophyta, which has a thallus-like body. Okay, which do not have differentiated thallus-like body. Like they do not have differentiated stems, leaves, roots. Okay, so thallus-like. An example is algae. Okay, another one is bryophyta. We have already written this in the previous classification as well, right? Which have on the basis of vascular tissues. They do not have vascular tissues. Okay, so they also not have true true roots, stem, etc. Okay, an example of this, tell me. Example, I have written just discussed about the bryophyta in the vascular tissues classification. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, it's mosses. Very good. And liverworts. Yeah, very good. I know you all getting it. Okay. Next one is pteridophyta. Pteridophyta. So pteridophyta is also comes under this cryptogams, and the example of pteridophyta which includes is ferns. Okay, clear? Up to here I guess it's clear. Now in phanerogams they are further divided into two, that is gymnosperm and angiosperm. Okay. Angiosperm is further divided into two on the basis of cotyledons, number of cotyledons, that is mono means one. Okay. Let me erase this now. There is a spelling mistake. Yeah. Monocotyledon. Okay. Another one is dicotyledon means two cotyledons. Have you ever seen or taken an interest in seeds? Type of seeds like pea have two cotyledons. मटर देखा है ना आपने? अगर उसका ऊपर से कवर निकाल दे तो they have two portions, right? You have seen it, right? So these are the cotyledons I'm talking about. Clear? So this is about the some general classification of plant kingdom. Okay, we are going to take this in the contrast. Clear? So we'll meet in the next video. We are going to take about the first phylum, that is Thallophyta. Okay, so if you like the video, please do give a thumbs up and also share, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Okay, clear? We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you very much.